Imagine transforming your body in just 2 minutes a day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, prepare to be amazed because today, we're revealing how simply hanging for 2 minutes a day can drastically change your body. Trust me, this is a game changer you won't want to miss. So what exactly are hanging exercises? Picture this. You're hanging from a bar like you did as a kid on the monkey bars, but this time you're doing it for a purpose. Hanging exercises are simple yet powerful movements that involve suspending your body from a bar, using your arms to support your weight. It might sound basic, but the benefits are anything but. Let's face it, staying fit isn't always easy. We all know the struggles. Time-consuming workouts, complicated routines, and sometimes minimal results. Traditional exercises often require a lot of time and effort, and they might not target all the areas we need. But hanging exercises? They offer a straightforward, effective solution that can fit into even the busiest schedule. Now let's dive into the good stuff. Here are the fantastic benefits of hanging exercises. Decompressing the spine. Hanging helps to decompress your spine, relieving pressure on your vertebrae. This can lead to reduced back pain and improved posture. Imagine feeling taller and more aligned after just a few hangs. Improved grip strength. Your grip strength is crucial for many daily activities and other workouts. Hanging from a bar challenges your grip, making it stronger over time. Say goodbye to weak handshakes and struggling with heavy grocery bags. Engaging the shoulders. Hanging engages and strengthens your shoulders, improving mobility and reducing the risk of injuries. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to improve your overall fitness, strong shoulders are a must. Core activation. While hanging, your core muscles kick into gear to stabilize your body. This helps to tone and strengthen your abs without a single crunch or sit-up. Shoulder mobility. Regular hanging increases your shoulder mobility, making it easier to perform other exercises and reducing the risk of injuries. Imagine having the flexibility to move freely and comfortably, no matter what activity you're doing. Mental relaxation. Hanging also provides a moment of relaxation for your mind. It's a chance to take a break, breathe deeply, and let go of stress. It's like yoga for your spine and shoulders. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. The impact of consistent hanging. Just hanging for just 2 minutes a day. Suddenly you notice your posture improving, your back pain diminishing, and your grip strength increasing. Your shoulders feel more mobile and your core feels stronger. All of this from a simple daily habit. It's the kind of transformation that makes you think, why didn't I start this sooner? To sum it up, incorporating hanging exercises into your routine can decompress your spine, improve your grip strength, engage and strengthen your shoulders, activate your core, increase shoulder mobility, provide mental relaxation. And the best part? All it takes is 2 minutes a day. It's simple, effective, and can fit into any lifestyle. Now it's your turn! Give hanging exercises a try and see the difference for yourself. Share your progress in the comments below and inspire others to join the challenge. Remember, just 2 minutes a day can lead to incredible changes in your body and overall fitness. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to more fitness and nutrition information just like this.